how to go ahead and get started with remote desktop. So now that we have the virtual machine all created and everything ready to go, what we're going to do is come over here and copy this public IP address. This is how we're going to link ourselves through remote desktop to access the computer through the virtual network and to access this virtual machine. So what you're going to do is copy that. And you're going to come down here. We're going to open up the desktop connection. You're going to put that and paste it in there. I've already done this once to make sure everything was working properly. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys see it for yourself. Now, once we do this, it'll actually bring you to the login window, which is here. We'll put our username, lab user, and cyber lab 123. This right here, you verify you spell right, and this should allow to bring up this menu. We're going to say do it and hit yes. Now we should be in to our remote desktop, and as we're logging in now. All right. So now once we're in here, we can actually go in and hit system information and click here. And this will actually show us that we're in the Windows 10 Enterprise right here. As you can see, we're in Enterprise. We're running at 2.6 gigahertz with 2 cores, 4 logical processors, and we got 16 gigs of RAM. Again, this is just a quick tutorial on how to do access remote desktop through a virtual machine that you've created through Azure. If any other questions or comments, please just leave them and I will get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a great one. And God bless.